クリスマスカーニバルがグノービルにやってきたよ。でもピートにはやることがたくさん。用事を終えてカーニバルに行けるかな？
I've been so busy at school, I haven't had time to keep things clean. My mom and dad want me to finish cleaning my room today. Then I can do whatever I want. Let's get started. Oh, it's Zoe. Hey, Zoe, what's up?
Hey, Pete. Today is the Christmas Carnival. Let's go to the Ferris wheel.
That's today? Oh, no.
What's wrong, Pete?
I love the Ferris wheel, but I promised my mom and dad I'd clean my room today, so I have to finish that before I can go.
That's too bad, Pete. I'll be here with the crew, so I'll meet you there later. And let's go to the Ferris wheel when you're finished.
Thanks for understanding, Zoe. I'll call you later. Bye! Oh, it's Peanut. Hey, Peanut, how's it going?
Hey, Pete. Today is the Snow Carnival. Let's go to the food stand.
Oh, I love the food stand, but I'm really sorry, Peanut. I promised my mom and dad I'd clean my room today, so I have to finish that before I can go.
Totally understand, Pete. I'll be there waiting with you with everyone. Let me know when you've finished and let's go to the food stand and eat everything.
Sounds awesome, Peanut. I'll call you later. Bye. Get back to cleaning, Oh, it's Ralph. Hi, Ralph.
Hi, Pete. Today is the Gnoville Carnival. Let's go to the ice skating rink.
Ice skating is so much fun, but I'm really sorry, Ralph. I promised my mom and dad I'd clean my room today, so I have to finish that before I can go.
Oh, no worries, Pete. I'll be there with the other friends and we'll be waiting for you. Let me know when you've finished and let's go to the ice skating rink.
That sounds great, Ralph. I'll call you later. Bye. Whew. I better get to cleaning so I can hang out with everyone. Yay! Woo! Phew. I lost track of time, but I'm finally done with cleaning. It's sunset already? What time is it? Oh, I bet I missed all the fun at the Gnoville Carnival. I'll phone Zoe and find out.
Hey, Pete. We're all here waiting for you. Are you coming?
I just finished cleaning. Let's go to the Ferris wheel.
Oh, sorry, Pete. The Ferris wheel have closed already.
What about the ice skating rink? The food stalls?
They're closed too.
Aww, I really wanted to go to the Ferris wheel, ice skating, and food stands.
But there's one thing left. Let's go to the Christmas tree. They're about to light it in an hour. We saved some pretzels for you before the food stand closed.
That sounds so fun! Thanks, everybody. Okay, I'm on my way. See you soon. にゃー。
クリスマスカーニバルには行けなかったけれど、みんなでクリスマスのイルミネーションを見ることができたよ。よかったね。
See you next time!